What's up, guys? So I was just thinking about it, and it's been almost a full year now. I gotta look at the date exactly around when I started, but I remember it was last summer that I began my journey flipping medical commodities, flipping diabetic test strips, and I think about how much has changed over the past year. Sorry about the noise. It is raining out here for good old Florida weather, but when I first got into this. I had no idea what I was doing, but, I was taking massive action, and just because I didn't really know what I was doing, I was like ignorance on fire. In the first month alone, I didn't make any sales, I didn't close any deals, anything like that at all. It was just horrible. I've never been the quickest one to succeed. I'm always kind of like the turtle, I just keep going. But, finally I started to make some progress and start to get some success, and now a full year later, I think about how my business is just growing like crazy. Just in the last week alone, have closed almost about $5,000 in medical commodities. So my business is just growing like crazy. Just today, I picked up about 40 boxes between two deals. And something that I've noticed over the past year is that it's gotten easier for me. I've created an incredible system that's just, I'm constantly working on and tweaking. I got an amazing marketing system. I've created this system where I just have constantly leads flowing in, people coming to me, with amazing deals that are effortless to close, that the profit margins are amazing. And the deals have gotten bigger. So, went from in the beginning, it felt like I was getting like one box every single deal, to now it's quite common to be getting deals where I'm getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus boxes in one deal. The other day I did over $1,000 in business just from one customer. So my deals are getting bigger, I'm making more profit, and it's getting easier and effortless. And there's a couple of reasons why. Number one, I'm getting better at it. I know the prices, and I'm very quick now at negotiating, talking with people. Number two, I'm getting a lot of repeat customers, so we know each other, trust is being formed, so the deals and the negotiations are super fast, lightning fast, quick. I'm getting a lot of repeat business. Getting a lot of referrals. My name is spreading on out there, and and I have a system now. Systems are extremely important in all my businesses. I'm a systems guy, so I have a system that now is just plug and play. That is extremely duplicatable, but it's plug and play, and I make some minor tweaks and adjustments to this system, but it's a system that can literally be fully outsourced at this point, which has been my goal from the beginning, to create this business as an outsourced business, so that it can become as much of a form of passive income as possible. It's not fully there yet as passive income, but that's the long-term goal, to have it, just to be like a semi-passive form of income, where I'm just kind of like the manager overseeing all my employees doing the activities for me. But this has just been an interesting business. I never thought I would be doing this, flipping medical commodities, diabetic products. I don't have diabetes or anything, but I actually have quite enjoyment from it, get a lot of enjoyment from it. And a couple of reasons why, I've always been a health fanatic for many years. It's one of my obsessions. I love learning and studying about health, so I find it quite fascinating to be dealing with diabetics, and I have some interesting talks from them, and I've met quite a few people who have healed themselves of diabetes, and so I love talking with them, learning about how they've healed themselves of diabetes, and just learning about how the different situations when people are dealing with their diabetes. To me, that's quite fascinating. So I like that, and any chance I can, if they're open to it, of course I will give them health advice to help them better their situation, because I want everybody to be healthy and live a good, happy, healthy life. So that's been really interesting, and it's been cool to see a business start from nothing, something, and to become such a profitable business. It's a simple business. It really is. It's a business that I really feel a middle schooler could do this business. It's that simple. That's what's nice about it. It's a very simple business model that anybody could learn and do and duplicate. It's not rocket scientists, and it's been fun because I do have a very busy and hectic life with multiple businesses and single parenting, and so to be able to squeeze this kind of a lucrative business that's growing like crazy into my life is quite impressive, because anybody knows me knows that I don't have a lot of free time. My schedule on a day-to-day basis is pretty jam-packed, and so to be able to squeeze this new business venture in over the past year that is exploding, that is becoming one of my most it's fighting to become one of my most profitable forms of income, has been quite awesome to see that. And it's just getting going, almost every day now, I'm picking up anywhere from 5 to 50 boxes of diabetic test strips, medical commodities, and it's just growing like crazy. Learned a lot, and I got some awesome techniques and strategies that I'm pretty sure no one else is doing, just because I'm a sponge. I'm constantly learning and studying, unlike a lot of people that feel like they know everything. Something about me is I always stay humble, always stay a student, and I always have the attitude that I haven't arrived yet, that I have a lot to learn. So I'm constantly studying and learning other ways to market, and so that's why I'm excited. I'm coaching a lot more people now, and I love sharing my goods and my strategies with those that invest in coaching with me, so that I can help you guys make as much money as possible as well. And I do save the absolute best diamonds for those that do coaching with me, so that way you guys can learn the goods. So in the description below, check out the link to the courses that I recommend, the course to learn how to flip diabetic test strips, medical commodities, and also a link you can apply to do one-on-one coaching with me. And until next time, guys, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.